Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sheena with sheenaisfab and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am participating in an open collab invitation hosted by the glamorous Penny Pincher. The name of the collab is A Different Kind of Fall, where we showcase our fall decor. However, the challenge was not to use any traditional fall colors. So I styled my entryway with a whole lot of glam and a little bit of boho chicness, I might add. So if you want to see how I styled my entryway with a lot of glam and a little bit of boho chic, just keep watching. The table runner is from Pier 1. The two bling sparkly pumpkins is from zGallerie. The small pumpkin in the front is from the Dollar Tree. The silver pumpkin is from Ross. The decorative boxes are from zGallerie. The lamp is a DIY I did a couple of years ago, DIY transformation. I will link the video in the description box. The uva stalks are from Hobby Lobby. The vase that the uva stalks are in is thrifted, as well as the two black vases at the bottom of the entryway table. I thrifted those as well. And the pillows are just old pillows that I covered with pillow covers from Amazon. So there you have it, guys. That is my version of a lot of glam with a touch of boho chicness. And the uva stalks is what really makes it boho chic. I really hope you enjoyed. If you like my content, I hope you would really consider hitting that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and share this video. I love to decorate my home. Thank you so much, the Glamorous Penny Pincher, for this collaboration, and you guys have a fantastic day. Bye.